Hi everyone, so today I'm planting my money tree, and for planting my money tree I'm using a self-watering planter. So the container which I'm using it's a self-watering container, but I'll be drilling a hole at the back underneath. There's a cross sign and you can just prepare a hole there. Just make a hole and it will just provide good drainage to the soil. And here I am preparing the soil mixture. So for the soil mixture I am using sand on first and the second layer of the soil. So usually this is how I do it. I'll just prepare some sand mixture and use it on the first and the second layer of the soil. I do not use too much sand, but little bit of sand is okay. And then I use some green tea leaf, and I use it as a natural fertilizer. And I just get some fertilizer spikes from the store. You don't have to buy many expensive fertilizer. I just buy the normal spikes which you use for house plants, and I think that's enough for them. I use 4 or 5 of them, and you have to just put the spikes in the soil, underneath the soil, and 4 or 5 are good for the for the container which I'm using. And now I'll be just planting my money tree, and this is how I'm doing. So one thing I learned in the gardening process, and while gardening so many plants and with my so many house plants, that you should never place your house plants near the vent. The vent is like so bad for the plants. It's not good, because while in winters, if you are using like heater at home, and if the heater is blowing all that hot air out, and if the plant is next to the vent, the plant will not like the vent at all. So this is a very clear thought which came in my mind, and I thought that I should mention this in the video. Because with my previous money tree and some house plants, I was not aware. And previously, years back, I had two of them next to the vent, and they were not doing good, and I could not understood that why it's happening. So this is the fact that do not keep the plant next to the vent, or next to the bright sunlight, or where there's a direct exposure of the sunlight to the plant, because money tree will not like the direct exposure of the sunlight, or the heat, or the that cold air coming out of the vent. So it's better to keep it away from the vent. And here I'm using hydrogen peroxide, just for the little nourishment of the roots. So I'm not adding too much, just 5 to 6 drops, and then I add it in water, and now I'm just adding it in the roots of the plant. And the plant is good now, and I'll be just spraying some water in the mist form. So I do not pour too much water. I just add some water in mist form, and I water my plants every 4 or 5 days. So I do not water money tree on the regular basis, because this is a self-watering plant. So I just add 1 cup or 2 cup every 4 or 5 days. And I always check the soil, that how the soil is doing. If the soil is way too dry, I will add the water soon. But if the soil is moist, and it has some water, so I won't add it. And one thing is for sure, do not add the plant next to the vent, and in the direct sunlight, because the plant will not like it. Or not next to the window, where the direct heat and direct cold air is coming in. So it's good to follow the instructions which come with the money tree, and over the internet, if you find something, it's better to follow some instructions.
Roll, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll, roll over. Good job. Roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. Roll over. Good job. Sit. Sit. Come on, sit. Lie down. Good job. Now lie down. All the way lie down. Lie down. Sit. Lie down. Lie down. All the way lie down. Say hello. Say hello. Good job. Say hello. Good job. You did it.
So money tree is a very good feng shui plant, and it's better to take care of the plant really nicely. And it's just not the money tree, it's like every plant is beautiful, and it's just always good to take care of the plants. And I learned in the process of planting, the more I take care of my plants, the more healthy, the more beautiful they look. And it's always better to give them right amount of water, right soil, and right amount of sunlight which they want. And it's always best that before planting your plants, it's always best to take care of the plant and follow the instructions which comes with the plant. And if you don't have the instructions with you over the internet, you can check the instructions that what your plant actually needs. So I guess money tree is a very good feng shui, and just taking care of the plant is very, very important. If you guys have any new idea about how to grow money tree, please comment below, and hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching.